Hello everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you with today's segment student. Today we are starting a new topic and it is related to human anatomy and physiology. Yes student, as we have discussed the types of circulatory system, there are the two types of circulatory system. Open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Open circulatory system is found in the mollusk and arthropods. But the closed circulatory system is found in human or all the vertebrates. All the vertebrates have the closed circulatory system. And the study of the circulatory system is known as angiology. Means the branch of biology that deals with the human circulatory system. That branch of biology is known as angiology. Angiology is the branch of the science that deals with the circulatory system of human student. There are the two types of the circulatory system are found in the human being student. First is blood circulatory system, second is lymphatic system. Blood circulatory system have the main component as blood and lymphatic system have lymph, and both have the difference in between them because the blood flow through the blood vessels but the lymph flow through the lymph vessel student. And in this the lymph is pumped with the help of lymphatic nodes but the blood is pumped with the help of heart student, heart. So about all these components of the circulatory system we will study in the detail. So today we will start from the blood circulatory system and it is found in all the vertebrates. In all the vertebrates have the blood circulatory system and this circulatory system is also known as closed circulatory system. And in this student, what are the main components? First is blood, second is arteries, veins and blood capillaries, and they are also known as blood vessels. With this, if there is one pumping organ or there is one pumping station is also found that is known as heart student. Now we come on the first component of the blood circulatory system, and what is it student? It is blood. It is blood student. Now what is blood? Blood is the connective tissue or it is the fluid connective tissue that contains plasma and blood corpuscles. And these plasma and blood corpuscles are found in the blood as fluid. That's why we can say that the fluid that is found in the blood is fluid matrix. And due to having that fluid matrix, this connective tissue is known as fluid connective tissue. Now we come on the main component or main function of the blood. As we are discussing about the circulatory system, and this system is also known as transportation system student. So what is the main function of the blood? The main function of the blood is that it transports food, waste, oxygen, carbon dioxide, ions, enzymes and hormones. Means all these components or all these parts are transported with the help of blood student. And there is again one branch of biology that deals with the blood, and that branch of biology is known as hematology. Means we study about the blood in the hematology. This term you will also learn. Means the study of the circulatory system is known as angiology and the study of the blood is known as hematology student. Hematology. Hematology. Now we come on the main thing that what is the weight. Means what is its percentage in our body? In the human body, its percentage is 7 to 8% of body weight. Means body weight's 7 to 8% is blood. With this, blood is mesodermal in origin. Yes, student, this you will learn. It is mesodermal, means it is obtained from the mesodermal layer of the body, and that's why it is mesodermal in origin. With this, now we come on the physical properties of the blood, student. Now, what is the first physical property? Means the color of the blood. Its color is dark red. Can you tell me why is it dark? Yes, tell me. Yes, you are right. It is due to the presence of hemoglobin. And why? The hemoglobin provides the red color to the blood. Yes, again, one question from me to you. Yes, tell me. Yes, it is due to the presence of iron, student, because heme means iron, globin means protein. Means the blood have the iron containing protein, and especially in which type of blood corpuscles this color is found. It is found in RBC or red blood corpuscles. This hemoglobin is found, and due to which our blood have the dark red color. Now we come on the taste. Many times when our finger is injured, at that time what you do? You suck your blood like this, na? So what type of test you have, student? Tell me. What type of test you have? You have basic test. That's why. Which type of nature it has? It has alkaline in nature, means it is basic in nature. And why is it alkaline in nature, student? Because inside our blood, what are found? It is NaCl or sodium ions. Sodium ions are found in our blood, and due to that, our blood is alkaline in nature. With this, its viscosity. Viscosity means fluidity, student. Fluidity means our blood is viscous in nature, and its viscosity is 4.7, and it is 5 times more of water or distilled water. Means what is viscosity of blood? It is 4.7. This you will learn. With this, another property is specific gravity. Means our blood also have the gravity, student. All the objects have the gravity. And what gravity it has? It has gravity 1.04 to 1.07. Due to this, blood is supplied properly in our body. If there is more gravity is found, then what happens? Then what happens, student? Tell me. If there is more gravity is found, then the blood comes out from our body and we can't survive. So what is it? It is 1.04 to 1.07. Now we come on the next physical property, that is pH, means the power of hydrogen. It is basic in nature or alkaline in nature. That's why it is slightly basic. It has the slightly basic pH. And what is it? It is 7.3 to 7.4, student. Many times due to the infections or due to the presence of uric acid, our blood also have the acidic pH, and that condition is known as DG, student. So what type of nature our blood should have? Our blood should have alkaline nature, and its pH should be 7.3 to 7.4. Now we come on the stain. It is Leishman stain, student. Means with the help of this we can write. Means its staining is known as writing or Leishman staining or methylene blue staining. So it is about the stain. So these are the physical properties of the blood. In the next segment we will study about the organization of blood, student. So thank you very much and have a pleasant day.